Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can create yourself a TalkTalk account. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification turned on, and let's move on. First step, you want to search for TalkTalk account creation. Once you search for it like this, it's going to show you this result. Now we don't want to watch YouTube videos, so scroll a bit down and you'll see its official website, which is community.talktalk.co.uk. Click on it. Alright, now it's basically a UK based company where you guys can register and enter your phone number and communicate with others. Alright, now once you're in this website, you can see where it says my account. You want to click on it. If you have an account, you want to click on login, but since we don't have that, we are going to go on my account to create ourselves an account. Once you're over here, choose register. Once you're on the registering side, click on register again, and it's going to take you to the registering page. And over here, first you want to enter your email address. So I'm going to do that over here. Once you enter your email address, what you want to do is click on register account. Once you do that, click on register account, and your account will be registered under this email. And after this, it's going to ask you for some more information like your phone number and where do you live, your name, your username, all the stuff. Once you fill up the entire form correctly, you should be able to create yourself a TalkTalk account. Alright, it's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Now I cannot show you the steps after this because it's showing me this error, but in your case it should not. Alright, it's due to my internet connection issue, it's showing this, but in your case it should work completely fine. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.